and namaste everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tuba Sheikh and thank you for your love and support in my previous video. Dil se thank you. So in today's video I'll be showing you some cute and adorable stuff that I have purchased from Mr. DIY. So basically Mr. DIY, that is do it yourself. It is a Malaysian brand store where you get all hardware, electrical, household furnishing, car accessories, mobile accessories, stationaries and much more in a wide collection. You name it and they have it, and also at the lowest price, like starting from rupees 21. Yes, 21. So I visited this store in Thane before lockdown, and I recently got to know that the new store has been launched in Narasopara West. I'll leave the location link in the description box below, so you all can check out that store if it's nearby to you and when it's completely safe and with all the safety measures. तो चलिए इस haul की शुरुआत करते हैं. So my first purchases are these beautiful two scrunchies that I have purchased. One scrunchie has costed me for rupees 85. First one is this cheetah print. Oh, cheetah prints are love, and you get this in a scrunchie form. It goes on to every outfit. And the next one is this nude pink one. Well, I didn't had a pink scrunchie with me, so I thought okay, it looks pretty. And the next purchase are these set of 6 rubber band. Well, मैंने इसको dark colors में खरीदी हूँ because it goes on to every outfit and I always lose them. I always lose rubber band. Even if I have 100 of them, I'll be left by only 20 to 30 with me. So if this also happens to you, do let me know in the comment section. So yes, this has costed me for rupees 29. Quite soft and stretchable. Next one is this bow hairband. How cute the bow is. Look, look, look. This is very useful when you are doing your facial or face mask. So yes, it's a very cute and soft and also easily adjustable to your hair. Yay! And this is for rupees 100. And the next one is this cute little pouch. Lemonish, I call this a lemonish pouch. Yes. So there are different kinds of pouches over there with according to your needs and all the sizes, so you all can check that out. Let's see how it looks from inside. So yeah, it's quite spacious and wide, and you also get 2 net pockets here. So yes, good one. So the price for this is 120 only, but yeah, I found it cute, so I like okay. And my next purchases are these home slippers. Yay, it looks so cute. It is written love over here on both the side, and look how pretty do they look. Well, I got this because of the color, and I also wanted home slippers from a very long time, and this is for rupees 250. Well, good for home slippers, like not that bad. Okay, I think now it's little time to change the location, I guess. Let's see. Perfect. So coming up to our next item are these cute iPhone cases. Yay! And आपको वहाँ पे बहुत सारे iPhone के cases मिल जाएंगे, but दूसरे cell phone के नहीं मिल पाएंगे. It's quite difficult to find, but iPhone cases are easily available there. So first one is this cute white, golden and black, and it's written peace, and this has costed me rupees 111. And the second one is this white. Wow, quit stressing. My cat is cute. I love cats, so I found this really cute, and it's all white. And the last one is this red. Of course, you have to love red iPhone case. Yes. So but इसका material दोनों के compare थोड़ा सा, you know, it's not that good. It's quite bendable easily, but yes, it's fine, it's okay. I got this because of the color and it's not that bad. So moving on to this cute little keychain. It's an elephant keychain in a cute purplish color. Look how cute. And the best part, yes, the best part is yet to come. Look, yes, it also has a flashlight, and when you press this button, it makes a sound and you get a light. So it's a 3-in-1. It's a keychain, you get sound, you get light. What else do you want? So this has costed me for rupees 91 only. Wow. So next up we have are these earphone with a case, and let's see how it looks. It is this nude pink earphone. The wire is quite long, so yes, it's very easy. And inside this case you get a छोटू सा pocket where you can keep any of your valuable thing. जो भी अगर आपको बहुत कीमती है छोटी सी चीज़, so you can stick it over here. And this has costed me for rupees I think it's below 100, क्योंकि ये इतना costly था नहीं, and I don't have the tag for this, but yeah, I think it has costed me for 100 rupees only, so yes, it's a good one. And the next one is this cute mug or a cup, whatever you want to say, and it has a cute heart shape on it. Well, it's a plastic cup and it's quite wide, and yes, I drink my Bonvita in this. So yes. So let's come to the stationery part. I've got this cute little notebook with a cactus everywhere. It is a 30 pages notebook and this is for rupees 39. Well, I have already, I think, used some of the pages, but it's pink. So yes, and with the cactus, it is looking cute. Cactus look cute in books only. So my next cute little mini diary is this unicorn one. How small and cute. It's like your to-do list. Like you just open, you write what do you want to do, and you're done. And it's very cute and small, so it can come in your pocket or any of your purse. So yes, it's a go-to diary, and this is for rupees 70. There are so many stationery stuff in that store. Like there are so many notebooks, so different types, even with locks and lock and key one. So yes, you can explore every section aram se. So next up I have is this wrapping paper. This is for rupees 23. This is a gift wrapping paper. I always purchase gift wrapping paper from stationery, and it is a headache sometimes. Like you only get those three color, blue, red and yellow. So I thought, okay, let's purchase something different. So our last purchase are these cute little earrings or tops, whatever you want to say. Look how cute. There's round and this is something like flower, and this is the bow one. Well, I have lost one because this has been purchased before lockdown, so yes, I did lose one earring, but it was similar to this. You get a set of 6, I think, for 100 to 150 between them, or even below. I don't remember the price for this, but yes, it's quite nice and it's decent and cute. Yup. That's all for today, everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon. Allah Hafiz.